Hi guys, welcome back. As you can see, I look like a bum, but it's for good reason because I got my Beautylish Lucky Bag. I was not expecting it. It said it was going to get here on Wednesday and it is Monday, and I was in the process of editing my weekly palette video, and there's a giveaway in that, by the way. I will post that tomorrow, but I was in the process, but I'm like, dude, this is going to be late because I woke up late. It was a whole situation. So I don't have any makeup on, but it's kind of like a throwback to a year ago on my channel. I would frequently unbox stuff with no makeup on because I was really lazy about doing my makeup because I was working full time. So yeah, I'm just giving my skin a break today. So all I have on is like skincare, sunscreen, that type of stuff. So if you don't like my face with no makeup, too bad, because here it is. So if you're not familiar with the Beautylish Lucky Bag, it's a one-time of year box that you can order based off of a Japanese tradition called Fuku Bakuro, and I have memorized that because I think this is the 4th year that I've gotten it, and they have been hit and miss, but it is a mystery box. I saw a lot of comments that were like, oh, it's so bad, I'm not getting it. Last year I got this and this. I mean, it's a gamble. They're not always what you want them to be, but it's a mystery box. Now, if this was like a quarterly box, nah, I wouldn't spend this much on it because the XL bag is $150 plus shipping plus tax. So I paid about $177 to get this box. Yes, it's a lot. I've had the XL, I've had the regular bag, and sometimes the regular is really good and surprising, and some boxes are luckier than others. So there's no telling what you're gonna get. But in the past, I've gotten Natasha Denona, Charlotte Tilbury, but I've also gotten like Good Molecules, which I love, but they're very inexpensive. I've gotten Wayne Goss brushes, Sonia G brushes. I've gotten a little bit of everything. So some of it I can't even remember. So in the past, you know, I've had really great and I've had just okay. And I don't know, we're gonna see what we get. But I'm super, super excited to unbox this. I cut open the box and I was like, ooh, I wanna look. And I was like, no, I can't wait until tomorrow because I will definitely peek and it won't be a surprise. So I have like opened the box as far as like cutting it open, but I have not looked at anything. So it is a pure surprise, whatever I'm getting, and you guys will see my genuine reaction with very minimal editing because it's already, what time is it? 5 o'clock. And I got this box like 30 minutes ago. Like I just got it around 4:30. So without further ado, let's open her up. The paper is always different. This year it's this red and black design. I mean, it looks very Fuku Bakuro if you ask me. All right, so we got a lot of black paper. Oh, I got Hourglass. Oh, okay. So I got something from Hourglass and it's pretty chunky. Let's open this. Hourglass. Remember, I spent a lot of money on this box. So you're always hoping for something like amazing. So this is the Ambient Lighting Edit Mini Sculpture Unlocked. Oh, I'm so excited. Hourglass packaging. I think I know what this looks like, and I definitely don't have it. It's so beautiful. Oh, and it's got their little like cruelty-free Hourglass, what the hell? Hourglass logo on the front. Look how beautiful. Oh, it's so, so pretty. So it is a quad of different face powders. Now these powders, I think is more like bronzer, blush. One's like an ethereal powder and then a highlighter, I think. I'm almost certain. I'm gonna try to like look these up really quick so I can give you the price on them. Oh, this is actually on sale right now. Wouldn't you know? So this originally goes for $58. It's on sale for $40, $60. So a lighting powder, a strobe, a bronzer, and a blush. Beautiful colors. I think this is gonna be amazing for me. Very happy with my first item. Now this was kind of like loose in there. This is the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. I've heard really good things about this. I think maybe I've tried a sample of this, but I do love Briogeo products. This size goes for $42. I know it's not a cheap product. I usually don't pay that much for like shampoos, but this one is kind of like a 2-in-1 because it's going to give you that scalp scrub. And right now I need it. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just the weather. Like I get super oily at the scalp, but I still have like dryness too. It's so annoying. So I need like a combo. So this is going to be really good. I love to use something like this and then like a mask or hair treatment. That way your shampoo and conditioner is kind of like emptying evenly. Am I the only one? That's probably weird. A $42 value, and I do love Briogeo. Now everything else is in a bundle. I'm trying not to look at everything too carefully. All right, we got a brush, and this is a Sonia G brush. These are hella expensive. This is a Sonia G Jumbo Blender. So I'm gonna look this up because these brushes can go for a lot. So this is a $38 brush. I'm not at all surprised. I was kind of expecting a price point around there, even more maybe, but these are beautiful, beautiful brushes. It feels amazing. Very, very high quality brush, but once again, not something that I would pay for, but you know, when you get it in a lucky bag, you feel like, okay, well, it's beautiful, I'll use it. So I spent $150. I'm right now at about $120 value. So I got a slip scrunchie. Okay, I mean, okay, I love scrunchies. I love slip. So this is one of their, I think it's silk or satin. No, not silk, scrimbo. What the hell? You know, no scrunchie? This is like a full-size scrunchie, but they come in sets. It looks like a set of 3 is $39. So this is like $13 worth right here, I guess. So I got a slip scrunchie. I mean, I'm not mad at that. It's just like seems a little random. You know, I got something from Danessa Myricks Twin Flame Multi-Chrome Pigment for Face and Eyes. Oh, that's pretty. I really like this packaging too. It's like a little crystal. I'm gonna have to swatch this for you guys. And these go for $26. This is the shade Lover. Okay, it's interesting. Like if I was picking out one of these, I'd probably pick a different color, but it's still very interesting. I'm seeing like reddish and then like olivey brown. That's kind of what I'm seeing from that. Off topic, but I've been looking at a lot of indie brands like multi-chrome things. Everything is so expensive, products like this, and I don't want to just get like one, you know, I want to try out different colors, but man, it is super pricey. All right, we did get something from Good Molecule. So again, a very affordable brand. This is probably $10 or less. So I got the discoloration correcting serum. I do believe that they sent me one of these. Their products are very good. I recommend them a lot. When people DM me and they're looking for skincare that's affordable, I know Good Molecules is good, and most of what I recommend is not inexpensive, so I like to give this as at least a starting point. This one goes for $12. And with what I've gotten now, we have about our value of the box, so anything else is just kind of like on top of that. We got the, oh, Wayne Goss. This is a lipstick. Wayne Goss High Shine Gloss and Petunia. I'm excited. I haven't tried anything from his makeup collection. I've only tried his brushes. So here is the gloss. Let's put some on. I have like a little lip balm on. So that feels really nice. Let's look up the price of that. Okay, that goes for $22. We got, this is from True Botanicals Deep Repair Eye Serum. Not the most exciting skincare item to me, like eye serums. I usually, you know, do an eye cream, but it's really good to layer. And as much as I love skincare, I should not complain. And I don't have as many eye area products as I have everything else. So let me look this up as well. Okay, this goes for $90. So that's a pretty hefty price point, and it's just like in a very like medicinal looking bottle. I'm just going to show you as it kind of drips down what it looks like. I know I'm not testing everything out, but it feels a little bit oily, so I like that. It reminds me of the oil from, not Laura Jones. I don't like Laura Jones as much as this other one. What was it called? It was like a female name. Anyway, that oil, ooh, in the black bottle, you can get at Sephora. What is it called? It's so good. Okay. Anyway, we have one product left, and I'm super sad because I already have this palette, but it is the Natasha Denona Love palette. So I feel like I did get a lucky bag. I feel like this is a great bag. I just wish I didn't already have this palette. I don't have anything else that I got in this box except for the serum, which I don't consider this like a big ticket item in this box anyway. But let me grab my Love palette and show you guys. All right, so here is my Love palette. She's been used a couple of times, but I do love Natasha Denona shadows. This one is beautiful if you like the pinks and the purples. Such a pretty palette. I will more than likely just give this one away. I'm giving away a palette in every one of my weekly palette videos for as long as I have palettes, unless like I run out or I don't have one at the week or whatever, but I have already 4 or 5 different palettes. So for the next several weeks, I'll be giving a palette away, and it could be a Natasha Denona palette. So be sure to check those videos out weekly. I was planning to do them every Monday, but this box just took precedent and I couldn't resist, you know, what we were getting. And let me look back. I think this palette goes for $65. Yes, so $65 for this palette. Let me quickly add these up for you guys. $310 worth, so I doubled my money essentially. Oh shit, no, I'm lying. I left out the price of the brush, which was $38. My bad. So it's actually $348, or if you want to count the full value of the hourglass, then it would be $366. So I love my box. I'm not mad at it. I wish I had gotten a palette that I didn't already have. You can find people to trade with if you want. I usually don't do that. I just give away what I don't already have. I love giving palettes away to you guys, and like I said, check out my weekly palette videos. The first one is just an introduction. I didn't do a giveaway, but I highly recommend you to check it out because I think the videos are really good. It shows you 6 palettes, 6 looks. I rank them and declutter. If I decide that I'm getting rid of any of the palettes, that's included in the video. But yeah, I'm not mad at this box. Let me know what you guys think. If you got an XL Lucky Bag or a regular Lucky Bag, let me know what you got down below and how your box was. I feel like mine, again, was good. So I'm pretty happy. I'm happy that I sat down to do this with you guys. Hopefully you don't mind the no makeup situation. It is what it is. So thank you guys so much for checking out my unboxing. I do have a mystery unboxing playlist on my channel. If you're into videos like this, you can check out my previous years of Lucky Bags and any mystery bags that I've gotten from brands. I think I got one from eBay one time. Horrible experience. Mostly from brands when they release them. I will try to snag them for you guys, and definitely all my Lucky Bag unboxings. So thank you so much for watching again. I think I said that. I hope you are having a great night, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.